What's going on, guys? Back with another video. It's been like 2 weeks since I posted, but I got something good for y'all. Well, it's gonna be good for y'all, bad for me, because my fuel pump just went out. So we are gonna be changing fuel pump in the e60 M5. Always something wrong with this car. I swear we have like a love-hate relationship. I'll show y'all the fuel pump. Y'all remember that guy, Master Olu? Every time my car breaks, he's the one. I think he's jinxing me. Alrighty. Fuel pump.
Alright, so let's clear out this
got all the
here.
tools. Alright, about to clear out the trunk. Alright, took out the seats. Now we're gonna have to unscrew this guy. Well, this is the filter. This is the filter. That's the pump. So we're gonna take that side off and remove the old pump. Well, I'll show you again. This is how the new pump looks. Man, they charge a lot of money for these things. Crazy. Yeah, the seat again. All right. Trying to take off that little cap.
Yeah, lock ring.
Lock ring. This master here. So he's just tightening it. Let's see if this works though. It is pretty dirty under here. Like these seats, we just took off this little, it's like a little plastic thing that goes on top, but just took that off. But man, underneath it's super dirty, and I thought I kept my car clean until we took the seats up. All right, this is the moment of truth.
Oh, this ring is kind of weird.
Oh, it's still tight.
Oh, it's being like it's not on
The ring's off after longer than anticipated. So we can see the pump. That right there is the filter. We're gonna have to take this out and replace it with this guy over here. Looks like it has 3 connections. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's get to it. Or just connecting the filter. This took 4 hours. This is the old one. Yeah, this is the old filter. Oh, I'm sorry, fuel pump. Hopefully this fixes all of those problems I was having. Alrighty. Alright, let's finish. Yo, so we changed the fuel pump. We put everything back. Now I'm gonna go to the gas station, put some gas in here, reset the codes. We're gonna reset the dash, turn it back on, see if any other codes come on, and then we're gonna go from there. So see you in a bit. We took the car to the gas station to get some gas, but the little ring in the back wasn't tight enough, so there's a little leak, so we had to take the seats back off and tighten that ring. So that's what we're doing right now. Almost done. It's been a long day. Check it out. That's the ring. Focus. All right, there you go.
Wait.
So just trying to tighten that thing in there.
I was.
Just a bit more, so we can get rid of the leaks. Okay, so we putting the seats back in. We had to tighten it up just a little bit more. But yeah, we're all finished. Fuel pump has been changed. I do have to get 2 new mass airflow sensors because we got a code for that. And I don't know, I might have to get a throttle actuator. Not 100% sure yet, but we're gonna get these mass airflow sensors, change them, and see what happens. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this video up and see you on the next video. Peace.